Now we'll show the blocks for the middle range. Remember, at middle range, you can strike him and he can strike you. You're roughly an arm's length away. Some systems call this boxing range. Now, in Filipino martial arts, a block is actually a strike. You're not blocking the attack like you would in traditional arts. You are actually striking his hand or arm with a counter strike of your own. Hopefully this will cause him to lose his weapon. This is typically referred to as defanging the snake. Now most systems will tell you to strike the hand. Well, this is good. It's a small target. So we advocate anything in that general area. The hand, wrist, or forearm are all good targets. Now let's take a closer look at the blocks. Now for the angle 1, you're going to have to step in to strike the arm. This is called an inside deflection. For angle 2, you angle out away from the attack, strike the arm, and notice the left hand is catching the elbow. This is actually helping to stop the attack. Now 3 is pretty much the same as 1. You're stepping in, using the inside deflection and striking the hand or arm. If you have problems with this, it's usually because your attacker is not trying to strike you. He'll be pulling his attack, trying to strike your stick instead of your body. Make sure the attacker strikes all the way out. Now we're going to take a really close look on angle 4. Traditionally, you're taught that the stick will strike the hand and your left hand will back knuckle to the forearm. Now this will work, but there's a better option. The first thing that you have to be aware of is you need to move your body and your leg. If you don't, the strike will hit you no matter how hard or fast you strike down. Usually when it works in class, it's because your partner is cooperating by stopping his attack. If he were to strike all the way through, you'll find that most of the times you will get hit unless you move that lead leg. A better option, along with stepping back, is to cup your left hand and catch his wrist as you strike down. Now, that strike could be to the stick or to his hand. By cupping your hand and catching his wrist, you are stopping his attack dead in its tracks. If you use the more traditional method, striking downward with both hands, it can work, and if it hits you with a stick, it's not that big a deal. But if it's an edged weapon, that could be a problem.